Alright, so this is how you can do your cover crop seeds if you do not have machinery to do it. It's 1/2 mixed
clay. It's a
clay.
mud ball.
It's a mud ball or a mud bomb.
Mud bomb, but with me, my mud bombs don't stay together.
I don't really think it has to. I think the purpose of the clay and the compost being good and wet, guys, is to give moisture to your seeds. It'll stick around the individual seeds when you throw it, which gives you a higher rate of germination rather than just throwing seeds out and the birds taking it or you having to water a whole lot. So this is how you get your cover crops down without machinery. This is how you can seed your no-till deep mulch gardens. Seed it. Well, yours kind of, Dallas. Yeah, I think yours went everywhere.
So this is what someone might do if they didn't have the trails. And so you put the seeds together.
It's
Clay, compost, and seeds.
What is it?
Clay, compost, and seeds, and so that way there's going to be some water holding capacity in these seeds that they wouldn't have if we just spread them on that unbroken soil out there.
So so you are just mixing that up.
Yeah.
This is how you get your cover crops down with machinery. So there are different ways to do it.